Salamat, girl.
You think, girl, laging bida?
At least may ginagawa ako.
Akala ko simpleng tulong lang, pero doon pala magsisimula ang lahat.
Tignan mo nga dinadaanan.
Gangster!
I never dream, 'cause I always thought that
Be, tignan mo, may nag-iwan sa locker ko.
Oh, that's really nice. Sino kaya nag-iwan?
I don't know, but it made my day.
and I could swear love is just a game that children play and no more than a game. Till I met you, I never knew what love was. Till I met you, this feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day. I believe in every word that you say. I love you all the way. Now I could swear love is not a game that children play. So tell me that you stay till I met you. I never knew what.
Guys, magkakaroon tayo ng community cleanup this Friday. Sino gusto mag-volunteer?
Siyempre, siya na naman.
Oo nga. Troy, baka gusto mo rin sumama?
Ako? Ma'am, allergic ako sa ones.
Kinikilig ako.
So, Miss Volunteer, kailan mo balak iligtas ang mundo?
Kailan mo balak tumulong sa mundo?
Hoy Troy, hindi ka ba sanay na may lumalaban ano?
Gusto ko lang naman malaman ang superhero name niya.
Wow, ano ba yan? Volunteer?
Bakit hindi mo Pangit ka magdikit. Ako na.
Wala kong humingi ng tulong eh.
Hindi good thing. Pusang loob to.
Uy, my spark!
Dito lang kita namisang saglit. Ang araw ko ay
Di ko in-expect na siya pa ang susunod.
ikaw.
Yan pala masama to.
Tignan mo, kaya mo rin palang tumulong.
Kasi may nanguna.
It's like kind of contagious, huh?
Yes, Jen started something.
I just did what felt right.
That's wonderful. That's what we call the ripple effect. When one person does something good, the others follow. Remember, class, it only takes one act to inspire others. Keep spreading kindness wherever you go.
I never dream, cause I always thought when unspoken, just a childish game. And I could swear, love is just a game that children play, and no